today we're here to really put a spotlight on student mental health. So my top takeaway from my talk was about the importance of students reaching out for support, that we are here for them, and the importance of ensuring that we have inclusive mental health support through our tailored services as well.
So we're here today to talk about some of the struggles that people face, young people face, especially when going into the workplace from university. It's quite a big change, so today's just all about sort of making that more of a conversation.
So we're here today just to kind of speak about student mental health, make it a kind of fun event, a really inclusive event where we can all chat about our different experiences.
So I've had the great opportunity to work with targetjobs, who not only are a massive, amazing employer, but also champion all the values I'm sure the people they work with want to show in terms of well-being, in terms of having a holistic life outside of work. And I just want to contribute a bit about kind of what it is to understand these topics and actually build not just things such as resilience, but also things to support your health and other people's mental health as you become a team player in the workplace.